Welcome back to the channel. I'm not sure that we'll do our theme song. We might, but hit the like and subscribe anyway. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is the second part of fireworks. I am so excited. Let's just get to it. But hang on, we gotta get our theme song done. Ow.
I'm Anna. Oh, don't worry. I'm Anna. Oh yeah, to dirty.
Pluto!
I'm Pluto. Don't worry about me. I'm Horsey. Don't worry. Oh yeah. Oh, Horsey. Don't worry. We are all together.
Okay, guys. We just did our theme song, and now we're gonna do an eyeball. Everyone in the garage. I kind of forget what these things do. Ready? Everyone ready? Oh, that's what they do.
Whoa!
That is spinning like so fast. Man, that was loud. That was so cool. We're doing that again.
Okay, where's yours, Caleb?
Mine's fire.
Yours red.
Okay.
Man, these things are fun. Where's my fire ants?
Dang.
Anna, are you holding my fire ants?
There I have them.
Oh, okay. Here we go. They're starting. This time Pluto will watch. Oh my gosh, I hate these things. I hate eyeballs. You just never know when they're gonna explode.
You ready?
No. I said no instead of yes, so it's no. Oh, that one's not spinning. Oh, now it is. Man, those are so fun. I love those. Oh man, those are so cool, Pluto, aren't they? Well, I think I passed out. Those are so scary. You'd never expect it. What's it look like now?
Ready? Ready?
Broken. Okay, it's exploding. I think this is a lot. Whoa! They do it for different things. Okay, now it's fire ants. Fire ants.
In my hand right here. I don't know what these do.
Me neither. I don't know what these
I'm
do.
just gonna cover my ears.
This right here might need to. Let's see here.
Oh, what are those?
Fire ants. Let's see what this is.
What do they do? Hang on, I have no idea what these things do. I am so scared because I do not like fire ants.
Oh my gosh.
I don't even know what they are. I don't like red ants, so I probably won't tell you. What do they do?
Remember Rio when he says, keep celebrating and be pooping on your potted plum sleigh?
Don't remember that.
Rio, that white bird, keep celebrating
Okay, I'm gonna put this out here.
and be pooping on your
What do they do, Dad?
I'll be poop.
Dad does not know what they do.
Keep celebrating. I'll be pooping on your potty plant
You guys
sleigh.
come stand over here if you want to.
No,
Get a closer look. Right over here.
no.
What do they
I'm gonna
do?
stand over here. You'll be okay.
I'm standing right behind there.
Hey, no, get over here where you see. Come on. We're gonna do fireworks. You ready? There's only one of these.
I will cover your ears if I were you. What do they do? Whoa, those are cool. It's gonna explode. It's gonna explode when it's done. It's gonna explode. Oh, I thought it was gonna explode. And then it explodes right after I said that. Usually.
Okay, that's it for tonight.
What?
We did two things.
That was 4 minutes. That was like 5 minutes.
Well, that's okay. We'll do tomorrow. We'll do more tomorrow.
Can we do more?
Tomorrow, yes, we can. Yes.
Now I get to check off my list.
Right.
Hang on, wait. Let's get my chalk here. I am so sorry this video is so short. Okay, what did we just do? I kind of forget. We did one fire ant. And then we did one eyeball. Backwards check. So all we have to do now is we did sparklers, new ground bloom flowers, and boomers. And then we're done. Then we're done with this video for the channel. Well, that is the second part of Horsey Plays with Fireworks.
Okay, let's go.
I'm going in. Thank you for watching this video. Hit the like and subscribe. Yeah, hit the like and subscribe. And see you next time in Horsey Plays with Fireworks, part 3. See you later. Yeah.